I once met a lady in Paris who, as soon as we were introduced, asked me to draw a picture of a horse, which I did, somewhat mystified. She then explained that she asked everybody that she met to do this because it was amazing the different ways in which people draw pictures of horses, what part of the horse they choose to draw, some people only drawing the head, some the whole body, what position the horse assumes, and so on. And she had worked out a whole system by which she felt she could judge people by knowing what kind of a horse or portion of a horse they would draw. So I was telling this to another of my friends, and she said, "Oh, I think it's entirely too complicated, drawing horses. What I do is I ask people, 'Who are you?'" She said you'd be astounded the different ways in which this question is answered. One person says, "I'm John Smith of 434 Sycamore Road, Santa Monica." Another says, "I'm a pharmacist's mate on such and such a ship." Another says, "I'm a screenwriter." Another says, "I'm Elvis Presley's maternal grandmother." And she said, the rarest of all is a small group who, when you ask this question, say, "Who am I?" My goodness, if I knew that, I would know everything.